Hi guys. Okay, so this is the part one to our kind of small and quick web series on the stock market guide for beginners. So we're just going to talk about why to invest firstly in general, like what is the point and what is all the fuss about really. So why did like you came to me and asked me to teach you about investing? So why do you want to invest?
Well, I have money in the bank and it's currently not doing anything. So I want to make an investment rather than keep it there. And I know myself that if it's there, I'll just take it out to spend on clothes. So,
That's a very true thing. So I'm quite like that as well.
yeah.
Any money in my current account goes straight to
So
my social life.
clothes and
Yeah, clothes, social life,
food.
yeah, all of that. But I know actually a very good point, because if I put it into my investments, I don't touch my investments ever. I let them grow. There's very rarely I take any money out, but it's never a large portion of it anyway. It's very small portions I take out. So that's a very good point actually. So why to invest in general actually? So investing in general, I think there's kind of two things you can talk about, like you mentioned there. So you have savings and then you have your investments. They're both kind of key things in life if you're trying to move ahead with your financial kind of financial state basically. And it's good to have that rainy day savings account, but it's good to grow your money through investing, and you can easily make bigger returns through investing than you could ever do in your savings account. I think that they say the average investor makes about 7% return. That's over, I think they say it's kind of over a 10-year period. But you could easily like make 4 to 6% on any one investment in the stock market with very, very basic kind of understanding. And that's just through something called dividends, which we'll go through later on anyway.
In what time gap?
You can make 4 to 6% every quarter. So a quarter is every 3 months basically. So
Okay.
4 quarters in a year, every 3 months. But yeah, you through something called dividends, you can make 4% or more. We're just saying this.
It
A good,
ranges.
yeah, it ranges,
Yeah.
but it's a good 4% is usually the low end, good end kind of it. But you can make 4 to 6% of whatever you invest every month or every year. Well, not every month, sorry, every quarter or every year, basically. And that's just through very basic understanding. You could probably do that now by doing very basic reading, and not even having this talk right now. So investing can really kind of push your financial growth further than just kind of saving your money. And what I found now is where I started with the stock market, I've broadened out and I have so many different investment fields that I'm in that are more, so a lot are kind of business based now as well. But it was from understanding how the stock market and kind of economy started off. And I have gone into other things like, which we will kind of touch on, such as Forex and day trading, but other things such as royalties, equity holdings, intellectual property, and other things. We're not going to talk about all of them because some are more business related and take a lot more kind of financing to do and understanding, which we probably can't cover right now. But we'll talk about the basic kind of in terms of stock market basically. So I think that just wraps up about this video, and we'll see you in the next one.